Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So let's get started today session. So today I basically want to share that try to speak English with your daily routine and try to speak every single word in English. Like if you are going for eating food, then say I'm going to eat food. If you are going to sleep, then say I'm going to sleep. Like this, just try to speak everything in English. If you are a create environment like this, then you can easily speak a good English. So like if you are woke up in morning, so like you are thinking like मैं आज सुबह 6 बजे उठा. Then try to translate this thing in English. I woke up and in morning at 6 a.m. Okay, like this. After that, if you are going to brushing your teeth, then say मैंने उसके बाद ब्रश किया. Then you can say after that I brush my teeth. Okay, like this you can speak. And after that you can say अब मैं नाश्ता करने जा रहा हूँ. इसको then try to think in English. अब इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Then you can say I am going to eat breakfast. Okay, and उसके बाद जैसे मैं अब कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ. Now I'm going to college. Like this, try to make every sentence in English. In starting, I know you are unable to speak English and directly. So try to first thing in Hindi and after that translate in English. After a time, you are good in this thing, and after a time try to just speak in English. Don't think in Hindi. Just try to make yourself able to just think only in English. Make yourself like this. Okay, if you are doing this thing, then you can easily speak. This thing is also very helpful. I am always trying to speak English in this way, and sometimes I forget something, then I write down my mistakes and some sentences and all the things. It is very helpful for me. Before sleeping at night, um, uh, I always try to revise my notes, okay, which is important, which I generally forget. So I always try to revise before sleeping. Then try to make habit like this, then you can easily speak English. So bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video with the different topic, and I hope all this video is helpful for you. So just try to make good yourself, try to improve yourself, and if you have learning ability, then you can do anything in your life. So bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video.